How to fix GTA 5 Enhanced crashing error or caching problem after updating Steam. First of all, I suggest you to restart your Steam and also end it from Task Manager. So end it, close it, and also end it from Task Manager. And you just need to turn the Steam off completely. And you in processes, if you find any Steam, you just need to turn Steam off. You can see Steams are showing here. You just need to select this and click on End Task here. So the next option is disable Discord overlay. So this is my Discord and I'm logged into my Discord. So just go to user settings. In user settings, you need to scroll down. You can see at the bottom game overlay is showing. Just tap on this game overlay. You just need to turn this option off. This overlay option. Just submit it or skip it. Just turn it off. Also disable this overlay options from here. Disable every overlay option from here. Also make sure to disable your Nvidia or overlay or any other overlay you're using. So in your Steam you need to verify games file integrity. So you need to click on library option in your Steam, and then in GTA 5 right click and click on this manage option, then click on install files option, and then click on verify games file integrity. And it will validate the Steam files and complete the Steam file integrity, and you just need to wait for a few minutes to complete this process. So make sure to update the graphic drivers to the latest version. So you just need to open device manager. Whether you're using Nvidia, AMD, you just need to reinstall the latest version of graphic drivers. So make sure to do that. And by installing the latest version of graphic drivers, it will make your device smooth. So you need to just click on the display adapter. You can just need to right click here for your graphic drivers. Click on update driver. Whichever graphic driver you're using, just select this, and you can update it from the official website of your graphic drivers as well. And you can install the latest updates of Windows. So make sure to do whether you're using Windows 10, Windows 11. You can check for updates, and you can check for update and install the latest Windows updates for your system. Make sure to disable antivirus temporarily or Windows Defender Firewall temporarily in system, because this may cause the error. And if nothing works, you need to uninstall and reinstall GTA 5 in your system. So you can just need to uninstall it from Steam and reinstall it once again. Also make sure to delete all the files of GTA 5 in your PC, then reinstall it once again. And after that, restart the PC and see whether this issue get resolved or not. In case you still face any problem, you can mention it in the comment section. I'll make sure to give you a reply. And if you find this video helpful, just click on the like button, also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.